Welcome to PREMIA TNC's YouTube channel. In this video, we would like to share tips with you on how to reduce income tax in Singapore for foreigners. If you want to know more about how to apply reduced income tax in Singapore, PREMIA TNC can help. Contact us for a free consultation today. Taxable income in Singapore. Taxation on personal income covers all wages, together with commissions and bonuses, excluding CPF payments. Thus, all people earning in Singapore must submit their income tax form and pay their tax yearly subject to tax rules, besides residency. And like all countries, the tax rate increases with the income received. Taxable income in Singapore consists of bonuses, commissions, directors' fees, rental income and salaries or wages of employed and self-employed individuals. On the other hand, the following are non-taxable in Singapore: capital gains from shares and stocks, CPF life payouts, inheritance, lottery winnings and pensions. 2023 rates on income tax in Singapore. Knowing how to reduce income tax in Singapore for foreigners requires familiarity with the prevailing income tax rates, as listed below. In doing so, taxpayers can estimate how much you'd have to set aside next year. Refer to the table for more information. Strategies to lower Singapore's income tax. Strategy 1. Utilize the life insurance relief. Taxpayers who qualify for this tax relief have a total compulsory employment CPF contributions, self-started Medisave, or voluntary contributions, besides voluntary Medisave contributions, below SGD 5,000. In addition, this relief is on the paid life insurance premiums of the taxpayer or spouse. Strategy 2. Benefit from the earned income tax relief. This tax relief is available to all working individuals, as follows. Below 55 years old, SGD 1,000 tax relief. 55 to 59 years old, SGD 6,000 tax relief, and 60 years old and above, SGD 8,000 tax relief. Disabled persons earning an income can receive more tax relief. Strategy 3. Deduct business expenses. Irrespective of the nature of the business, there will always be extra operating costs. So, it is a relief to know that claiming business expenses is among the ways to reduce income tax in Singapore for business revenue. Examples of business expenses deducted from the income tax are advertising costs and accounting fees. Strategy 4. Donate to IPC-registered charitable institutions. Donations are among the many ways a taxpayer can receive a tax relief, which is another way on how to reduce income tax in Singapore for foreigners. The taxpayer can have 250% tax deductions depending on the donated amount until December 31, 2023. Strategy 5. Maximize CPF. This strategy applicable to Singapore citizens and Singapore permanent residents only. Simply maximizing the Central Provident Fund special account to SGD 7,000, a taxpayer in Singapore can reduce the income tax due. Also, by topping up the taxpayer's parent CPF at the maximum of SGD 7,000, the taxpayer can receive another relief, making the total tax relief SGD 14,000 for an assessment year. Strategy 6. Render national service. This strategy applicable to Singapore citizens and Singapore permanent residents only. Doing so will allow the taxpayer to claim NS-MAN relief, ranging from SGD 3,500 to 5,000 for KH or key appointment holders or SGD 3,000 for the general population. In addition, the parents and spouse of the qualified taxpayer also automatically receive tax relief of SGD 750 for the same assessment year. Strategy 7. Study to keep skills and knowledge updated. Though generally unknown by all, taxpayers may utilize a tax relief not exceeding SGD 5,500 for courses attended starting in 2021, provided the course is relevant for employment or enables the taxpayer to change careers, and receipts of payment are attached to the tax relief claim. Strategy 8. Voluntarily contribute to Medisave. This strategy applicable to Singapore citizens and Singapore permanent residents only. Another way to reduce income tax in Singapore is to make voluntary contributions to the Medisave account. This strategy is ingenious for self-employed persons to do. However, several requirements have to be met before claiming this tax relief. Strategy 9. Claim rental expenses from rental income. Finally, this tax relief applies to lessors who also incur rental expenses. The claim on costs is limited to 15% of gross rental revenue. How we can help. PREMIA TNC, a professional consulting firm, is experienced in handling taxes in Singapore. Dedicated to providing clients with complete tax services, we assist in guiding them on how to reduce income tax in Singapore for foreigners. With the available government incentives, potential tax savings, and intricate tax implications, our clients can enjoy the maximum tax savings they are allowed in Singapore. Our services range from preparing personal income tax calculation and tax return filing, including the IR-21 form for foreign workers resigning or departing from Singapore, to liaising in matters concerning income tax valuations, objections, and communication with the Income Tax Authority. Contact us for taxation services in Singapore. Let us help make your taxation process easier.